Hey everyone, it's Aaron from ABR Creations. In previous tutorials, we have learned how to make the single and the double crochet as well as the slip stitch. In this tutorial, we are going to advance it up and learn the half double crochet. For your convenience, I have posted a link in the description which will redirect you to the previous tutorials which I have created in case you have missed them. So, let's get started. So to make the half double crochet, let's make a slip knot. Okay. And start by chaining 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. For row 1, we'll skip the first chain. Okay. Yarn over and insert your hook into the second chain from your hook. Then pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook, like as if you were doing a double crochet. Instead of just pulling through 2 loops, we'll pull it through all 3 loops, like so. This is known as the half double crochet. Then we will half double crochet in the remaining 4 stitches. Okay? And by the end of row 1, you should have 5 stitches. Okay? 4 is the last one. 5. Okay, once done, we will turn our piece and chain 1. For row 2, we will half double crochet 5 across. Okay, 1, sorry, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So once you have done, we will cut our yarn, chain 1 and pull it all the way through. You have now learned how to make the half double crochet stitch.